Kata, Pinan Shodan. Ready? Yoik. Look, crouch, step wide into wide stance, toes out at 45-degree angles from the center line, knees pushing out so they stay over the ankles. Double block, middle block at a 45, up block still in front of the forehead if we were to look forwards. Circle down, hand palm up under the elbow, fold for a down block directly beside you, look the other way, a beat, double block, circle down, fold, down block. Turn this foot a little bit more than halfway so that when you turn, your entire body will be oriented to the back wall and you'll be able to kick straight towards the back wall, both fists down, step behind. Toes in line with the heel, whip kick, chamber for a second, step out at your 45, pivot, point, twist up, hit with a knife hand, point, step, making sure to turn your foot before you step, twist up, hand in front of the opposite eye, hit, point, step, twist up, hit, point, step, spear. You can add a kia here. Lower your front hand, keeping a fist between the ribs and the elbow. Back hand stays in the front or as a spare block. Look before you turn, it's very important. Back leg steps across, pivot to the 45, two knife hands. One, step, knife hand, front hand comes back hand goes down, front foot comes in, steps out to the other side, point, twist up, hit, point, another knife hand. Fold for a middle block, stepping towards the back wall, foot comes in first, step, block, punch with the back hand, kick with the back leg, chamber, foot flat to the floor, not pointed down, punch, kick, punch, kick, fold for a down block, set your foot down, down block, fold for a down block, step across, looking before you turn, down block, set for an up block, step, punch through. Set for a down block, look, step to your other ankle, down block, set, step, punch through. You come together, hands up, fist down, bow.